Hello guys, my name is KidSoldier728 and today there's another video like the others but a different gun, a shotgun, the S12. Now for the attachments, I have long barrel and fast mag, and for my camo, I have all camo. And yeah, so that is it. I recommend you use that gun. That gun is really good. I got all camo and I really prestige it. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time on another video. See you guys. Bye.